Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Now in this video I just want to do a quick update for my November dividends, but before we actually do that, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also like the video if you like the content here so far in the channel. I highly appreciate you for doing that. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so we're gonna go jump into TD Ameritrade first. Now we're here on the dashboard right here on the accounts, and we're gonna go history and then look at dividends. Pretty much populated here from 11.1 to 11.30, and as you can see, we actually have quite a lot, pretty much the standard ones that I have. 5 stocks right here. For the first one on November 1, we actually got $2.33 from PCI, and then for O, which is Realty Income, one of the best monthly dividend payers out there, with $1.92. Stag and 11.15 on November 15, we got $2.44, and then for Apple we got like $7.11, and then for CLM we got around 37 cents. And that is pretty much it for TD Ameritrade. Now the next one here is Stash. Now if you look at my dashboard, we have $1,361.18 for my personal portfolio, and then for the retirement portfolio around $27. Now if we actually go over for the personal portfolio, let's see if we actually got any dividends for the month of November. Now let's see over here, go back. Now for the month of November, we actually did not get any dividend payouts for the month of November, which is very unfortunate. We only did the subscription payment, which actually makes me think whether I should actually continue doing Stash or using Stash as well, which made me kind of like did like on my previous video, kind of like I quit Acorns. Or for this case, I'm actually considering moving my stuff from Stash to actually Weibo, because I feel like it's time for me to move on from Stash and, like, you know, not waste $3 every month just for a dividend payout of around $9 or something like that, because pretty much my delicious dividends right here, they pay out every quarter, so that's like around 3 months. If you think about it, 3 times 3 is 9, and then I'm only getting around $9 as well for my dividends, which is obviously not a very profitable position to be in. So I'm actually considering that one, and if I pretty much do that, I'm going to move all $1,300 to Weibo and pretty much just use that money to invest it on, let's just say, on Gladstone Commercial, which pretty much pays me around 50 cents, or now actually is $1, because it pays around 0.125 cents per quarter per month per share, and that's pretty big. And if I actually do the math there, and it'll probably be big for every month, so I feel like that my money right here in Stash would be more useful if I used it on Weibo. But anyway, that's it for Stash. Now we're gonna go to Weibo. Now I'm in the dashboard right here. We're gonna go over here to the center right here, the bull icon, and as you can see, I have like $186 with a cash balance of $6.60, because if we go here at funds, I actually got $1 for my dividends for Gladstone Commercial, because remember, we actually increased the number of shares that I have, now from 4 shares, now I actually have 8, and that pretty much totaled into $1 per month. So that's pretty cool. And now if you actually total everything together, from what I got from TD Ameritrade, excluding Stash because I didn't get anything from Stash, and with Weibo, I pretty much got $15.70 for the month of November for my dividends. And I feel like that's a very small amount, but you know, that's just how it is. This is how dividend investing works. You pretty much just play the long game all the time. That's pretty much it for my November dividend update. I hope that you enjoy your day. I hope this video kind of like gave you an update as to where I am in my journey into dividend investing, and I hope you like it. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to get updated whenever I post new videos like this, and also add me on Instagram at DailyDread. I pretty much haven't been posting there because I've been busy, you know, traveling, and I haven't gotten to good internet here in the Philippines, but you know, I try my best to actually update my friends as well as my family. But anyway, yeah, add me there so you can we can exchange some stories and maybe some ideas, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.